Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ghost hunting tools easy guide. Start by choosing simple sensor options like EMF readers, motion sensors, and audio recorders. Assemble components on a non-conductive board and secure connections with hot glue. Calibrate each device using known signals and log baseline readings. Always follow safety steps and respect private property when testing equipment in any location. I will show you a clear, friendly assembly of a DIY EMF reader that you can build at home. Gather a meter module, a 9V battery, a switch, and a small case. Solder connections carefully, mount components, and seal openings to reduce noise. Power it up, observe the baseline, and adjust sensitivity as needed. This simple unit helps detect unusual fields during an investigation when used responsibly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money fits oddly well with hobby budgeting. The Simple Path to Wealth is worth a peek. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can save while building gear. Then now let's get back to the video. Let me guide you through pairing motion sensors with audio recorders to capture events precisely when they occur. Use PIR sensors, a microcontroller or relay, and a compact voice recorder to pair triggers and sound. Secure the sensor at chest height and route, wiring neatly into a discrete case. Test trigger delays and synchronize clocks so audio clips match sensor events for faster analysis after your sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.